Plead. Defendants plead their case before the judge. I am pleading with them for more time. She has pled not guilty to all charges. I have been pleading for help all week. I pled guilty to the minor offense. I was pleading for mercy when the verdict came. He had pled his innocence before the evidence appeared. The villagers had been pleading for aid for months before it arrived. I will plead my case at the hearing tomorrow. I will be pleading for patience throughout the talks. By Friday, the lawyer will have pled on my behalf. By then, I will have been pleading this cause for years.